Hello, my name is Sandy, and this is Sandy's Left-Handed Crafts. Here you will see paper crafting, scrapbooking, and DIYs, some hauls, some organization, and recipe videos. Today, you can find me on my blog at http://sandrabrahm.blogspot.com. You can find me on Pinterest at sandybeach8898. You can find me on Instagram at Sandra Brahm. You can find me on Facebook at Sandy's Left-Handed Crafts. And you can also find me on YouTube at Sandy's Left-Handed Crafts. I will have all of these links down below in the description box. And I look forward to your comments, and I look forward to having you subscribe to my channel and watching my videos. I appreciate your time, and I hope you're having a great day. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.